Hello everyone, I am Sukleen and with me are Soumya Muppa and Mansimrat Singh. We will be proposing the benefits of using Khadi linen as a sustainable material for the brand Country Road. Our aim is to promote Khadi linen as a high quality clothing material that will last for a long period of time and supply chain that acknowledge fair and ethical conduct towards humans, animals and the planet and hence promote slow fashion. It is a step towards a circular fashion where the products and materials are used as long as possible, waste and pollution are designed out by reusing and recycling, where natural systems are regenerated. Many of the United Nations sustainability goals, such as poverty eradication, water conservation, partnership, development, and responsible consumption and production goals, could be achieved as well. Linen is a natural fiber from flax plant, is an annual crop, and requires less resources to grow. Further, unlike cotton, the whole plant is used from flower till roots for different products like seed, oil, and fiber. The fabric is very durable and is often considered luxury. Recently, Country Road also launched an exclusive linen collection which was an instant hit. Excessive water consumption while processing fiber crops is leading concern across the world. There could be two alternatives to avoid wastage during the retting process of flex plant. The first alternative is dew retting and the second is water recycle plants. The biggest water pollution agents from the fashion industry are the chemical dyes, which are directly dumped into the water system. Flex plants could have different color variations depending the soil it is grown, but all are natural tones. This concept could be adopted to create different patterns or color options for the fashion consumers instead of providing environmentally harmful chemical dyed products. India is one of the suppliers of the country road and it holds an important position in the worldwide fashion supply chain. But it is a home to 1.3 billion people, which result in a lot of unemployment, migration from rural areas to urban in search of better living standards, causing stress on environment and resources. The solution of poverty eradication is to create job opportunities. For this, Khadi industry would be the best. Khadi is an Indian national technique of hand spun and hand weaving of natural fibers like cotton, wool, and linen. It is an extremely labor intensive process and has extremely less carbon footprint. Hence, is promoted by the various Indian government policies and grants. Khadi Linen technique is a sustainable option and employs thousands of workers. It would further help in reaching the sustainable goals of decent work and economic growth and reduced inequalities. After sustainable and ethical cultivation, manufacturing process, designing is the crucial stage to connect conscious consumers with the brand. Natural monomaterial garments could be easily recycled, if not, would be fully biodegradable without harming the environment when dumped in the landfill. Fasteners such as zips, buttons, hooks, and strings are often made of plastic or metal which harm the soil and are difficult to disintegrate. Adopting historic elements in the contemporary fashion would solve the rising issue. Using fabric buttons and loops instead of plastic buttons, door strings at waist instead of zippers could give the same desired silhouette and would be far more eco friendly. In conclusion, to obtain an efficient process that caters to the needs of the consumers without damaging the environment, we need to focus on each and every step that goes into the process of manufacturing a garment. The collaboration between the country road and khadi industry would mutually benefit both the parties as well as the planet. The product would be biodegradable as they are made up of monomaterial, eco-friendly as the fabric is not chemically dyed and uses less water in the process, less carbon footprint since the fiber is hand spun and hand woven, it has less carbon footprint and reduces the pressure on the energy consumption. Ethically sourced, the Khadi linen range would create thousands of jobs opportunities in the rural areas of India and provide better quality of life, education, and health. Further, this collaboration would directly promote the slow fashion movement and the ethical supply chain, which is an excellent marketing strategy at this point of time. High quality, durable, and sustainable product range made out of monomaterial would be an additional benefit and would give Country Road a competitive edge over the other brands. Thank you so much for listening to our presentation. I hope you enjoyed, and this is our reference list.